Greetings to everybody. Today I want to take our time to teach you how you can build a website with ChatGPT. You can create a stunning landing page website with ChatGPT. I posted this on Facebook and a lot of people are asking how is this possible. So I want to show you how you can do that. So first thing first, let us go to our ChatGPT. So I'm going to enter my ChatGPT now. So here you can see my ChatGPT and I'm going to drop this prompt. The prompt here is act as a web developer for a fast food and create a stunning HTML and CSS landing page with 5 sections. This is all that we need to give ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to give us this our website. So I enter now, and the next thing we are going to see here is ChatGPT doing the magic. So it's writing the code as you are seeing, and our code is getting set. So in less than a minute, it's not up to a minute, our website is getting ready. So copy your code from ChatGPT. Once you've copied your code, the next thing is for you to go to a folder and create a file. I'm going to create a file here called index.html. It must end with .html. So once that is done, I will right click here to open with Notepad. Every computer has a Notepad. So once that is done, you paste, and then you can click on this your index to open up your website. So this is what you have now. Okay. All right. So if you are here, if you have followed this up to this level, you are able to create your own website with ChatGPT, but we don't have any image. So let's style it and make it beautiful. So we need to add image. If you come here, if you come to this place, you will have just locate for where you have body tag. So the body tag is from here. So from here, everything you are seeing on this website is what we have here. Everything from here till the last body closing tag. So for us to add images to this our website so that it looks beautiful, what we need to do is to come to the code, and here, once just follow me. This part is where you have the hero section. So we are going to remove this and put the image source is img / let's use image1.jpg. Save, then come here to our website, refresh, and we see that we are having a background image. Okay, so the next thing is to go to the second one, which is here. We want to have another image added to this part. So we want to come here. Remember I showed you. Now you have to note something. I have added my image in img, so that's where I'm referencing the image from. So I'll come here and okay, let me choose 4. I'll go with image 4. So I'll come to my code here, I'll come to the code and look for this other section, about section. So here is the source. I'll remove it as well, and then put img / for jpeg, and then save. Go to the website again, refresh, and we have this. Wow, this is becoming beautiful, right? Your landing page is coming out. So the next thing you need to do is to add images here. These 3 images, you have to add 3 images here. So I'm going to add, for us to see that, you come here, you see a menu section. So for the menu section, I'm going to look for where we have image, img source. So I'm going to remove this and put my image. So my image is in img / then to jpeg. I'll save. I'll go to the second one. do the same thing. img forward slash let me use image3.jpg. My tree is png, so you also need to check the file extension of yours so that you don't make this mistake. Alright, so I think I've changed all. Is it all? So it's remaining one. So this last one now, I will change it to img forward slash 1. Okay, let's go to let's go and inspect the website. Wow, this is looking sharp, right? So this is your website. Your website is taking shape. So the next thing we need to do is here, this delivery part, we have to add one. So we'll go to that last part, and here we are going to take away this one. So basically what I'm doing is just to replace image, to put your image, and that's all. So the coding, no be do one. ChatGPT has done it for you already. So you are just replacing png and save, then go back again, refresh the site, and this is what you have. Beautiful. So this is your landing page. You can ask ChatGPT to do some things like add extra things, like add a click button and all that. It's just simple. You don't need to wahala yourself. If you give yourself 1 month on ChatGPT, you'll be able to learn something that you don't need to hit your brain about. All you just need to do is to master how to give ChatGPT the right prompts, and that is all. Thank you for watching. It's been me to you, showing you how to go around using ChatGPT to create a website. So in the next video, I'm going to show you actually how you can upload this website online and people can actually Google it and see you. Yes, like people anywhere from America, from different parts of the world, your own website will be live online and people can see you. So if this video has been helpful, all you just need to do for me now is to hit the like button, yes, and then subscribe to this channel. If you're on Facebook, you have to follow me so that I will bring you more tips, more things you can do with ChatGPT free of charge. Everyday practice will make you better.